What's up everybody, I'm your Moody guy and today we are going out to streets of London and I'm taking my Sony a7 III with 85mm. I checked through the window, it was quite raining and now it's sunny, so let's see what we can get. What's up everybody, welcome in another video. I decided to go out today because it was sunny and later it was kinda rainy. I'm going with my 85mm and the polarizer on it as always, and let's just roam around and see what kind of photos we can get. Maybe we can get some puddles, some reflection shots, I don't know, we'll see in some time. Let's go for the first spot. Okay, so the first shot I wanna take, it's some car or something like this in front of me, or maybe even taxi because of the reflections, but as always somebody has to stand on my way, so I think it's not gonna work out. And this time let me take the photo of this guy here. Which is quite okay, and I think there is some car coming or something like that. Let's just change the settings. f1.8, 160 of the second, 250 ISO. Because it's getting darker, I have to help myself somehow with the ISO, even though I'm shooting in f1.8. But I think the shot is kinda good, especially the first one, the guy on the bicycle. Okay, next shot. So the next shot is, I think, of this motorcycle, but I need to find a spot for it because it looks fucking sick. Fuck, I'm on 95. Wait, let me change to f2.8. 100 shutter, 400 ISO I think, or even 180 shutter. Let me see if it's in focus. Yeah, let me actually put 640 ISO and speed up the shutter so I can get it stable. Okay, I want to take the shot also of the detail shot. $100 shutter. Hopefully I will not drop it. I mean, not push it. What the hell. And of the mirror as well. Actually I can take selfie. Yeah, it will be sick. Yeah. That's actually sick. Let me take one more from the back and let's change the location. Maybe in the landscape. It will be good. Use the polarizer to remove the unnecessary reflections and wait for the people to go. This is actually sick. I want to take one last shot of the rear wheel. Like this. Okay, I think the photos are pretty good. Let's jump to another location. Let's take the shot of the umbrellas, as always. Kinda damp because it's raining. I have a hoodie only and I forgot to take my fucking jacket. That's the issue. Okay, let me jump to another spot and I might remove the bag for my camera because it's better. Okay guys, the next photo I want to take is the building in front of me, because first of all the sky is very moody and the building is very visible, but let me change to maybe a 4.5 and 160 of the second, 250 ISO. Actually, let me take one shot. f2.8, 100 ISO, 100 ISO, 200 shutter. It's kinda cool. I'm not the building guy photographer, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, sorry if it's quite windy, but I'm standing, as you can see, in the place it's gonna be windy, so there is nothing I can do. And I see a person in the yellow hoodie with the reflections, so I have to take the shot, and let me do it here. Did it work? Yes, it did. Okay, cool. Guys, explain me this. Look like how rainy it is from this side, but if you turn around, it's completely good. I just don't get it. I just removed the freaking bag from my camera because it wasn't raining, and now I have to put it again. I don't get it. Thank you for the shot, mister. Actually, that's dope. Okay. Yeah, and stop raining, yeah? That's fucking great. Okay, see you in another location. And honestly, I think it doesn't really matter how much I hate this freaking bag. I still have to use it because the weather changes every freaking 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes, and it's just annoying to remove it, put it again, and all this stuff. So I think I'll just keep it on my camera and better to cover myself, no? And then instead of destroying my camera and lens, which isn't waterproofed. Hey guys, it will be loud now, but I wanna take the shot of this guy. Somehow. Fucking hell. Okay. I hope it's in focus because it's 1/30 of the second. If it isn't, then yeah, shit happens. Okay, let's jump somewhere else and take some other shots. Let me wait for the guy on the motorcycle which was going towards me and try to take the photo of him. But let me change the settings, like 640 ISO, f2.8, 500 I think of the second, around 500. And he's not going my way right now. Maybe now. Did I get it in focus? I think I did. Yes, I did. That's freaking sick. Okay, next location, because I don't know how many photos I took already and I have to go home. I want to edit this and stuff, so yeah, let's jump somewhere else. Let's take time, I don't know, 2 more shots and let's end up the video. Okay, another photo. I want to take someone with the umbrella on the other side. Let's just wait. I don't know if I get it. If I got it, I mean, kind of. Yeah, another one. Jesus Christ, the weather is literally, again it's raining, later will stop, it's bullshit. So let's just take one last shot and I will end up the video because it's literally annoying. Again I removed the bag, again it's raining, it's just nonsense. I mean, yeah, what should I expect when it's raining? Like it will be sunny in 5 minutes? I don't think so. Anyway, yeah, let me take one more shot and that's it. Okay guys, so the last photo I want to take here, but I'm not sure yet what exactly. Maybe some simple shot of the street with people crossing or something, but let's see. I will face myself towards this way because if I face this way it will be too dark and stuff, so okay. Let me try and take some shots somewhere here. Maybe now something. Nope, it was too dark. Did I get it? Kind of. It was even kind of a panning shot. I think it's fine. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, just let me know down in the comments. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.